How to add or remove favorites from quick access in Windows 10. Tired of digging through folders to reach the ones you use daily? Quick access in Windows 10 makes it easy to stay organized and efficient. In this video, we'll show you how to add or remove favorites from quick access in Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. How to add or remove favorites in quick access. Quick Access is a file explorer feature that lets you pin your most used folders for fast access. It saves time, boosts productivity, and keeps your workspace tidy. You can modify this feature by adding or removing favorites to help streamline your workflow. To add a folder to Quick Access, navigate to the folder you want to pin in File Explorer or on your desktop. Then, right-click on the folder name and select Pin to Quick Access. The folder will now appear under Quick Access in the navigation pane. To remove a folder from Quick Access, press Win+E to open File Explorer. In the Quick Access navigation pane, right-click the folder you want to remove. Select Unpin from Quick Access. The folder will no longer appear under Quick Access. To clear Quick Access history, press Win+E to open File Explorer first. Then, click on the ellipsis, 3 dots, in the toolbar at the top right next to the Filter option. From the drop-down menu, select Options, opening the Folder Options window. On the General tab, go to the Privacy section. Look for the Clear File Explorer History button. Then, click Clear to remove File Explorer history. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add or remove favorites from Quick Access in Windows 10, linked in the description below.